Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I was telling you earlier, I was cooking and I got distracted on the phone, so I asked to stop a little bit and then I came back. I'm back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be checking our content regularly. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Right now I'm cooking for my subscribers and I'm cooking them an African dish. This is spinach with beef, okay, and this is water and corn flour, which is called ugali in Swahili. That's my national language, Swahili. That's Kenyan. That's our other language. We speak English, we speak our mother tongue, we speak Swahili, we speak more than 10 languages. So I'm bilinguistic. So if you're looking to hire somebody who can interpretation, yeah. But if you hire maybe yeah, I'm available. So this one is like kind of cooked. This one you eat with what? You eat with ugali. You eat it with ants. You put this one, you gather with that one, and it's delish. And it's heavy. You eat just a little bit and you're full for the whole day. So that's what I'm trying to do. This one it's hard. You have to mash it properly. This is the flour that I used. It's corn flour. You can get it from the grocery stores. Yeah, I like to use this one because for me, I know it's not, as I told you again, I have gluten problem, so everything I eat has to be written gluten free. This one is written gluten free. If you have gluten problem, you can get this one to cook your porridge, to cook your ugali, to cook anything. It's written pan. You can get it from the grocery stores. This is one that I use. And so now this one is like almost cooked. I reduce the heat because if you cook, you have to reduce the heat, otherwise you'll burn. Okay, you'll burn because there's no water in it. You already. Oh, this one I didn't put salt. That's mine. Don't worry about it. That's why I'm putting the spoon back. I need to put salt. I forgot. I didn't put salt on the food. So we'll put some little salt on this food. The spinach. Today I'm gonna have good lunch. Not too much salt. I don't know how to put salt in food. Sometimes I put too much and then I can't eat the food. I don't know. So this is the spinach. That's how it looks. Okay. That's how it looks. This one now it's cooked. I'll simmer there. And this other one, it's like this. I think it's cooked too. What I'll do, as you can see, that's how the spinach looks with beef. I mix the beef, I add onion first, cooked, and then I put meat, and then I put spinach. The spinach was frozen. I used these ones, frozen ones. I didn't have time to cut. Yeah, so, and this one is cooked too. So this one you have to mold it like, you have to make it like a pyramid. Let's make it like a pyramid. For that, you have to put the mwiko water like that, and then you mold it like this. That's how you know you're Kenyan, okay? You're a Kenyan girl. Yeah. And you have to cook. This is a staple food. This is a staple Kenyan food. Men love it. They are very strong when they eat this. Oops, and it's burning. Me myself, I don't like it too much, but instead of eating just rice all the time, you can eat something different, and it's good, and it's yummy. So what you do with this one, when it's cooked like that, you have to eat the one in the thing like that. That's how you know you are Kenyan. Okay? So what you do after that, you put it in a plate like this. You say 1, 2, 3, yay! And that's how you do. It's like a cake. And this one, you see, that's the ugali. That's how you do the ugali. And then you soak. This one you have to soak it. You have to soak the pot because already now it looks like it was baking a cake or something. That's how it looks. You see that little cake over there? And then, right now, this one is too much. I can't eat the whole thing. This one, we can eat it for maybe 2 days. Okay. So, what's next? Jesus. So what I do, now I have to show you how you eat this, okay? How you eat this ugali thing. Ugali thing, you eat it like this. I have to show you because when you go to Kenya, if you travel, you should know how to eat ugali, okay? Otherwise, you know you're not a Kenyan. I know you don't care. So you cut it like this, like a cake. Exactly just like a cake with a knife. And then you cut the piece. Right now I'm not eating too much because it's not lunchtime yet. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you. I just have a piece. That's how it looks. Ah, it's mashed already. Anyway, it's mashed. That one. And then you have a piece of beef and spinach like this. And then let's test this food. You put, people eat with hands, but I don't want to eat with hands because I'm showing you. This is delicious. Wow. This is awesome. I have another piece of meat and that's why I don't like to eat from people's homes, because sometimes people, they eat with the same spoon and they put it back. I just did that. But this is food for the show. It's not for people. It's for me only and my family. So try not to be eating people's food because you don't know if they put the same spoon back to the food. I'm trying to teach you something here. People, they do that. They eat and then they put the spoon back there. So eat your own food. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have to go and eat my food when I'm seated down. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry for talking with the food in my mouth.